Hey guys, we are just running through the whole book and now we have made it to the fourth string. Now, the hardest time when you're playing, other than the first string, is adding a second string. And then after that, it just gets trickier, but only by a small amount. The fourth string in the book has many, many things included in it. And so we usually end up taking twice the time. So we'll have fourth string part one and fourth string next week, part two in the next unit. So, and we may even divide up the time by working on more songs with chords in them. Mostly just because the more you can keep playing with these three and four strings, all the notes on them, the more your brain just goes, oh, okay. Because after three kids, one more kid is just another kid. Ask your parents if they have more than three kids. The hardest thing is 1 to 2, and then 2 to 3. You just got to go and then after that, everybody has a buddy. So you just know how to deal with stuff. So we need to give you just a little bit more time in order to do that. So on the fourth string, we have 3 pitches. These 3 pitches are the open fourth string, which is D. That's just like this. And then in the second fret, E. And that E is the bottom line on the treble clef staff. And then in the fret right next to it, the third fret, we have F. And that's the first space. Remember that because of math, we have mostly what we call whole steps between every pitch in the musical alphabet. We have 2 places where we have half steps. Remember that each fret is a half step. And so to go from E to F will be the fret right next door. Instead of like on the second fret where you had C in the first fret and you had to skip a fret to get to D. So remember, if you can make sense logically of how the half steps and whole steps work with the letters of the musical alphabet, it'll just be much easier. So take a look at line 28. So here we are on the fourth string. 1, 2, ready on D. D, D, E, E, F, F, E, E, D, E, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4, stop. Now you may notice that this time that for sure that third string, I'm getting really low in what I can sing. And so you're going to hear me change what we call octaves all the time. Because of math, every 8 pitches or so, you're going to hear, which is why we use 7 letters of the musical alphabet, what sounds like the same pitch. It's just higher or lower. And so good musicians know that, and they kind of deal. So for singers, we do what we can. Line 29, please. 1, 2, ready, start on D. D, E, D, that was bad. E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, I need to practice, and so do you. So get to it. All right, good luck.